Originally released in 1997, the Nike Air Zoom Spiridon has seen a few retro iterations over the past 28 years. Elden Monitors has sourced information indicating that Negre, Canyon Purple, Viotech tones are part of the official color description for the recently discovered Spiridon. On the upcoming launch, distinct, upgraded materials are visible during a cursory inspection and compared to regular versions of Christian Tresser's design. With shaggy suede swooshes and a mudguard that resembles denim, the top is covered in a porous mesh. The undulating midsole underfoot is animated by the purple heavy color scheme, which is divided up by each component. The package's gray finish is completed by the segmented rubber covering that shields the near-ground zoom air unit. The hot Fuchsia Air Zoom Spiridon PRM's official look are available. Prior to the arrival of autumn, pairs ought to visit Nike.com. SRP is $170.